In this video we will demo about how to manage unique barcode product like computers, cars, mobiles. To maintain records you have to add purchase entry. Select Unique Products List tab and search the product name or scan the common barcode of that product to load all info stored in inventory. Once entry added, enter or scan the unique barcode ID in Scan ID column and save it. Save way add entries for each unique products. Unique entries generally used for tracking the stock of costly items like fridge, mobile, TV, cars, bikes or jewelry. You can also make and print your own barcode to these products if they don't have one. You can edit discounts, extra charges, taxes as your purchase bill shows, which will be used for accounting. Create sales invoice, enter customer name. If customer is new, account will be created automatically. Select the Unique Products List tab. In Search Unique ID box you will see all the unique barcode products which we have added and not yet sold. While selling, scan the barcode in this box and click on Show to verify details or directly click on Add button. Click on Print to create invoice. You can print barcode or any info related to product in invoice like warranty, service-related info for yourself. In print settings you can change invoice layouts. There are more advanced settings related to invoice. In next video we will discuss it details. Save the settings. In Stock Management window all unique barcode entries will be found easily. This information can be useful for your business. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.